To install Axis gear, you will first need the positioning template, mounting bracket, gear, back lid, double-sided tape, and or mounting screws, Before installing gear, make sure there are no objects attached to your beaded chain or cord that may potentially jam the device. If you do notice your bead connector is much larger than your chain or that there are any attachments, please refer to our removing attachments tutorial. To begin, you must decide if you want gear mounted on the inside, outside, or middle of your window frame. Take your positioning template and loop your chain or cord onto it. Place the template against your frame, making sure that you are using the template in the right orientation. The cord is tight and tensioned well. Your shade won't hit the gear as it goes down. The cord won't rub against any surfaces in operation, and that the cord is not twisted. If the surface material you are installing into is metal or glass, we recommend using the provided double-sided tape. If the drywall or wood you are installing into does not have studs, we recommend using mounting screws with the provided double-sided tape. After firmly securing the bracket to your frame, remove the positioning template by sliding it out. If your window shade uses a metal or plastic chain, loop your chain onto gear. Make sure the loop is even on both sides. Make sure the loop is not twisted. Attach the back cover. Position gear onto the mounting bracket, making sure the lips of the bracket are aligned with the grooves. Push gear down onto the bracket. You will hear several audible clicks. Make sure the gear has been firmly installed on both the left and right sides. Make sure the chain is tight. If it is not, push the gear down further on the bracket. Connect the power module to gear. Press and hold the X until the LEDs flash on. Your gear is now ready to be configured.